Hi guys, my name is Ify Sound, a music producer, songwriter, an audio engineer, and the writer of Mighty God.
Amazing God, yes you are. You set the earth upon the water.
Well, Mighty God came to me when I was in distress, and I felt I was losing everything, and everyone is going away from me. And during that process, the devil tried to take advantage of me, putting fears in my mind and scary thoughts. You know, at that moment, God just showed up and made me realize how mighty He is. And no matter what I was facing at that time, He's mightier. And it gave me great confidence. And so whenever I'm singing Mighty God, it's not just a song. It takes me back to, that assurance God gave me. Well, the truth is this: I got the words, not even knowing the meaning, because the melody came to me. Almost everything in Mighty God, I just received it. And saying this is a bit strange because I'm not the kind of person that is given to, I got the song, received. I'm more of, okay, sit down, let's write a song. But one morning, I woke up with the melody in my head, the melody in the interlude. And not long after, as I was walking into the shower, the word started coming, Mighty God, Isi Kendu, Malite Nogugo, and all that. I am married to, my wife is Igbo, and I had to ask her what's the meaning of these words, what they actually mean. And it just fits, the description of what I was saying, or what I was saying in English. It fits perfectly. So it's more of what God wants me to sing, not me just trying to cook up words together. Yeah, well, our God is a timeless God, and also He walks in time. And I believe if He's giving me this melody, it's because He understands the fact that for me to pass this message, I need to pass it with the right tune and the right sound that people will accept without struggle. So that is why I believe God gave me this sound. I wasn't thinking about it. To be honest with you, I've not recorded a single in the last 8 years after my last album that I released in 2011-2012. Got what you're asking for. So this coming is not just because I have access to the studio. It's not because I'm an audio engineer. It's not because I'm a producer, but because I think God wants to pass a message through me. And He gave me a song relevant to our time.
You set the earth upon the waters. You spread the sky across the earth like a canopy.
Okay, well, I'd like you to understand that God is a mighty God. He created everything and is mighty. enough to solve your problem, and nothing is too hard for him. Though the devil will try to paint a picture of what is not to you, but always remember, God is mighty and is mightier than anything you're going through. And he can fix your problem, he can bring you out of a problem. Just trust in him.